Yeah, it was love at first sight. Sneaking out, risking it all every night. Something about the cane in my hand, pain in my veins. Something that you can't understand, like travel space. There was nothing more addictive. Dr. Clerk, yes sir, I'm here for my prescription. Racking a couple, yeah, I was hardly buying. On to my mission, wait, listen for the sirens. Are we good? Let's go. Jumping the fence was hard, wearing chucks in the snow. Didn't matter, stayed dedicated, never hesitated. Everyone painted, gray, swag and loaf made it. Top of class, graph, A+ graded. And Freddie beat you to the next side. I kinda hate it, buddy. But it drove my passion. It kept that spark forever lasting. Hands in the air if you ever did a scroll. Hands in the air if you ever wanna let go. Oh, hand drift away, ay. Hand drift away. Hands in the air if you ever wanna say. Hands in the air if you ever wanted to say. Man, fuck today, ayy. Man, fuck today. Live by the pain, die by the fumes. Live by the pain, die by the fumes. And fuck the world. And fuck the world. Live by the pain, die by the fumes. Live by the pain, die by the fumes. Fuck the world. Fuck the world. Go to school, I stay, I see no reason. Skipping every day, didn't matter if it's below freezing. Got so hard for the air, it's so can. Fuck a cop and a teacher, I ain't fearing no man. My girl would get so mad when I skipped. Instead of walking her to class, I did. The fumes consumed me, now I couldn't help it. Had a hit bigger than anyone else did. Ripping through the streets like savages, leaving paint cans and bandages. Hitting up anywhere, no matter what the damage is. Abusing all advantages. These fucked up city walls where my canvas is. It's so wrong for me to decorate these